Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you 10 position shots in pool and how to shoot them using these two balls right here called the Cut Shot training balls. And this is a sponsored video, so I'm going to take about a minute to explain to you what these do. Okay, so this yellow ball is the object ball, and the white ball is the cue ball. And they have all these different symbols all over them: stars, squares, circles, triangles, and they help you visualize the contact point. So instead of aiming to a random spot on a ball, you say, oh, my contact point is this green square right here. So you line up your tip, if you're using center, with that green square, and then the ball goes right in the hole. So it helps with any shot, and it improves your muscle memory, which is the most important part of pool. So if you're struggling with the shot, you can just set it up, shoot it over and over and over again until you are very comfortable with it, and then see the results in your game. So I have these listed in the description below, the link to them. Go and check them out, please. They are very, very, very helpful. I only promote products that I try for a number of weeks and figure out if I like them or not. So this right here is definitely something that I like. So let's get right into the video. We're going to be playing position for the 9 ball. Like that. We have our object ball like this, cue ball like that. So this shot right here is a little difficult to force it down there. That is some people's first choice, but you can see you can end up with a shot like so. So we're going to pick a little better route. This does take a good stroke, I have to say. You're gonna have to stroke this pretty good. Just like this. So our plan is to use backspin to draw off of this ball. 1, 2, anywhere on this rail is going to bring us straight to this rail or to this rail. So if we just hit it hard enough, we don't have to worry about hitting too hard. So we're going to worry about hitting hard enough. I'm going to get some chalk on my cue. It is just a little bit of low left English. We're lining up those two symbols. Bring it out like that. And right here, that was not good. That really was not. And the reason it wasn't is because we went too far this way. This is a real life video. I'm not cutting and editing this. But this path, we have to get it to come up here. So the way you do that is use less left English and maybe add a bit of right. You see, we're getting a bit closer, so I understand I'm going to have to add some right to this probably. Just like that. So then we're down there for our shot on the 9. Let's move on to the next position. Okay, so this one is very, very important. Remember, our white ball is the cue ball. We're playing position for the 9. This happens a lot, where we get stuck on the wrong side of a ball. So this shot right here, we're just going to make that ball and swing our cue ball around for a shot on the 9 ball. So the way you do that is we're using a little bit of low left and maybe high left. You see, high left brings you a little further away from this pocket, and it still leaves you with a good shot. That's an easy cut shot on that 9. But we're just using the natural angle to swing that cue ball around. Only thing you have to watch out for is scratching here, also scratching here. I tend to drive it to one of the two rails using a little bit of inside or outside. But let's move on to the next. So this one right here, I'm going to show you the use of running English. So right here we have this shot. We want to play the 9 next, but we want to be fairly dead on with the 9. Let's say we have a blocker or something. So this shot right here, if we just use straight draw, no spin, we're drawing straight out. Bad shot on the 9. Makeable, but we don't want to have to shoot a shot like that. For obvious reasons, you'll miss it, like that. But if we have a little bit of running English, so a little bit of left spin coming out of here. I miscued, sorry about that. Just a tad bit of left spin. Or make sure the shot is straight on. We're going to spin towards this rail. And you see how we end up with a great shot on that 9 ball. So let's move on to the next shot. So this one right here seems very basic, and it is, but it's one that you really need to know. And this is more with speed. We're playing position for the 9. 9 is down here. So this one is just trying to spin your cue ball around. You see, if you play with center, this is the position you get. Not very good. So what we're going to try to do is pocket this ball with high right, play 3 rail position for a real good shot on that 9 ball. So that's just a little bit of high running English, high left English, taking you off here. The main thing you need to practice with that is speed. So that's a shot that I really think you should practice and get down. So this is another one, similar position, except now the 9 is here. We want to play for it in the side. The corner is blocked. We're going to use low running English, low outside, bringing it back. And this is what you need to watch for, that scratch. But you see, we're just fine to get in a real good shot on that 9. So it's low left English in that case, the left bringing it off of this rail. Whatever running English is coming from this direction, that's going to take you there. So you point your cue in this direction. If left is going to take you straight down here, you're fine. Right is going to kind of stop you. But let's move on to so this one I admit I struggle with a little bit. This is not my greatest position shot. This is one I really need to practice. So it's good that I'm showing it to you because I get some practice with it. So we're playing position for the 9 again. This is very similar to the one I just showed you where we came off the 2 rails down here. But instead this time, we are using low right and bringing it around. So my problem with this shot is actually making the ball. And I know why I'm having this problem is because it's hard for me to judge the deflection with using that low right. So when I get this shot, I tend to avoid it. And there's probably some position shots like that with you guys that you tend to avoid just because you don't know how to judge the deflection on this. I hardly ever use this shot. I'm just being straight up. So I never really get the chance to shoot it because I always take some other position route. That one looks good right there. My problem with that one is making the ball, not necessarily getting the spin or the position right, because it is a really good shot to learn, and I know that because you can come into the line of the shot, you can end up anywhere from here to off the rail down there. It's a great shot to learn. It's just my problem is making the ball. So that's one that I need to practice. So the last one I'm going to show you, we didn't quite make it to 10. I apologize for that. I don't want to keep you guys too long. So right here, 3 rail position. We're fairly straight in. We're trying to play the 9 ball next. What we're going to do is we are going to actually try to make the yellow ball towards the side of the pocket. So not dead straight in the pocket. So we get a little more angle. And we're trying to drive that ball 3 rails around, maybe 4 shot on that 9. And this is a good makeable shot right here. But we want to get a little bit closer. I'm going to show you how we do that. So the less left spin you're going to use, the higher up on this row you're going to come. So if we use a ton of left on this one, we may not get the speed and we're going to end up coming more over here. If that makes sense. But if we just use straight high, we're going to come over here. So you really need to find the median on your table, because every table is different, for high left. Mine's probably around there. That gives me some good speed. We're not heading for the pocket, we're heading for here. So that is a good shot on my end. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in these two little shot making balls right here, please click that link in the description. They are called the Cut Shots Training Balls. They really improve your shot making, and you can kind of see what the balls are doing more. You can see the ball spinning. So if you're interested, go and check that link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.